Hello, hi, namaskar. Welcome to Krishna Pearls in Jewelers, Panjagutta. Today we have a session of jewelry, Kundan stones and all moissanite stones with a pearl in this. You can see the color of the pearl is very nice, champagne color pearl which give a good look to the set. This is again in 22 karat gold. This is a very beautifully designed, beautifully crafted jewelry which is made in our workshop. The design of this jewelry is very beautiful. And you can see the quality of the stones, the very beautiful quality of the stones, assured quality, and you will get a certification for every stone. You have natural precious stones in this. Navratan is a combination of 9 stones, and this is all precious stones in this. You have moissanite stones also, and a pearl combination. This is on 22 karat gold, and you have earrings. In earrings, you have a pota ruby with kundan stones and pearl drops. And there is CZ aside on the kundan side. And in this you have gold 56.4 grams of net weight. Total weight of this product is 96.58 grams. The value of this product is 7,09,000 rupees. In this you have pota stones, all pota stones, uncut stones. Pota stones are known as uncut stones. There is no cutting on the stone. There is direct from the mines you have this kind of stones, and you can see the color combination of these stones are very nice. You have cat's eye, you have golden topaz, emerald, blue sapphire, ruby, kundan, moonstone, coral, and garnets. Now I have some earrings. Earrings like a 3 jhumkas, combination of 3 jhumkas in the earrings with a pearl, CZs and kundan combination in this. This is small tiny pearls in this. You have a South Sea pearl in the drop, a kundan in the top, and on beside that you have a CZ stones aside. You can take a look. And there is a specialty of 3 jhumkas. A specialty of 3 jhumkas in this. 3 jhumkas in a single earring. And this has a screw system. Mostly in jewelry nowadays you are seeing a push and pull system, but in this you have a screw system. And the value of this product is 1,10,200. The total weight of the stone gold is 12 grams, and the total value of the product is 1,10,200 rupees. A ring here, 22 karat gold ring with the CZ and ruby in this. You can see here you have a different workmanship. This is known as kalamkari work. Kalamkari work is very small, very different craftsmanship. It is very beautifully crafted design, and this ring is like adjustable size. You can adjust the size here, and the back side you have adjustable system in this. You can increase or decrease the size as per your requirement. And you have a 22 karat gold with the CZs on the center like a flower design. It is finishing like a flower design, flowery work. And you can see a work here in the ring here, a flower work with the kalamkari designs. And in this, the value of this product is 38,600 rupees. And you have a net weight of this, in this you have 22 karat gold, 4.8 grams. Total weight of this product is 6.15 grams. And total value is 38,630 rupees. So this is from today's episode. If you like any product which we have seen, if you want to see this product again, you can go to our website www.krishnapearlson.com and you can avail our promo code which has DLOFF20. On that you can avail a discount on our products what you have seen. And if you want to contact us, you can call us on 799-345-3346. You can call us on any time. We are available 24 hours for you. Thank you very much.